So now I'm going to show you how you can use the Elkonin boxes with your students online so that they are able to practice their phoneme segmentation. So with this, I found the Elkonin boxes online at toytheater.com. I will be sure to include this link in the presentation. So with this, students are able to practice segmenting the sounds in words using the boxes and the chips. You have the option to adjust or change the color, to change the number of boxes that you have, as well as you have the option to make it go full screen. So I'm going to make it full screen so that students will be able to see it clearly. And so I would post this link in the chat for students so that they would have access to it. And if that is something that you do not want to do, you also could have students draw their own boxes and possibly use pennies, or they could use buttons to segment the sounds, or you can send home Elkonin boxes with your students at the beginning of the school year so that they can use them in the virtual setting. And so with this, you'll basically just dictate words for students and they will practice segmenting the sounds in the words. So for instance, if I said the word be, I will ask students to repeat the word and then we would tap out, we would segment the sound. So I would say be, and then we would go b, e. How many sounds were there in the word be? There were two. Very good. What was the first sound that you heard? B. And what was the ending sound that you heard? E. Very good. Let's try another one. How about the word dog? Repeat. Dog. Very good. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in dog. D. Og. How many sounds were there in dog? There were three. Oh, and what was the middle sound? And students should say, ah. And what letter makes that sound? Oh, and I will continue and do this for about 5 or 6 different words. I hope this helps.